Are you getting a no internet connection error on Steam or Steamtools? Here's how to fix it. First, open Chrome and go to the SteamDB website. Then search for your game. For example, if I get an error on a game, I simply copy its app ID and go to the Manifest Finder. I'll provide the links in the description. Paste the app ID there and click on Fetch. After that, click on Download All Found. Now go to your Downloads folder and copy the manifest file. Open Steamtools, right-click the Steamtools icon, then click on Open Steam folder, and open the Steam Apps or Manifest folder. Paste the downloaded file there. Finally, open your Steam library and click on the Retry icon. This method will 100% solve your problem. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe.